Okay. So today I am going to teach you about the nitric acid, and this is again for ICSE board class 10. Nitric acid can be prepared by reacting conc H2SO4 concentrated sulfuric acid with any metal nitrate salt. It can be potassium nitrate or sodium nitrate, and the condition remains same as the hydrochloric acid, as we did in the hydrochloric acid chapter, that we have to maintain the temperature less than 200 degrees Celsius and not above 200 degrees Celsius, otherwise a thick white crust will be formed at the bottom of the flask, which will be difficult to clean after the reaction is over. One more disadvantage is there, if you are keeping the temperature more than 200, that some of the nitric acid vapors that will decompose and form nitrogen dioxide gas. So I am going to write down on the board So these are the two reactions, like if you are reacting conc H2SO4, and why is concentrated sulfuric acid used for preparing nitric? Why can't we use HCl? Why can't we use HCl, hydrochloric acid, for preparing nitric acid? We can do that, but the problem is that when you are heating the reactants, what will happen? HCl, hydrochloric itself is a volatile acid. Hydrochloric acid is itself a volatile acid. So the thing is that when you will be heating, the HCl vapors will come, nitric acid vapors will come, both the vapors will come together. So you won't be getting a pure nitric acid, it will be a mixture of that, hydrochloric acid and nitric acid. Just in order to avoid that, we are using concentrated sulfuric acid, because concentrated sulfuric acid is a non-volatile acid whose boiling point is very high. It won't evaporate easily. And there is a non-volatile property which you must be aware, that it can displace a more volatile acid from a salt. Now we are going to do the lab preparation of nitric acid. In the lab preparation of nitric acid, the whole apparatus is made up of glass. It's a special kind of apparatus, because the nitric acid vapors which are formed here is highly corrosive to wood, rubber or cork. That's the problem. That's why we use the complete apparatus made up of glass only. Now the diagram for the nitric acid will be like this. this complete thing is made up of glass. And here is the stopper that is also made up of glass only. This is the stopper. And this is the tripod stand. Here is a wire gauge. The wire gauge is put over so that the heat is evenly distributed. The even distribution of the heat will be taking place because of this wire gauge. And here is the Bunsen burner when you are heating it. This is the clamp, the wing nut which is tightened over this thing. The stand like this. And the reactants are in this. What are the reactants inside this? It may come for the leveling. It comes for the leveling. So here you have got conch H2SO4 plus NaNO3, sodium nitrate, NaNO3, conch H2SO4 plus sodium nitrate. Yes, Vivaan? Yeah.